Hi, Mama. This is Monica and her little baby. You show me your baby, Monica. You show me your little baby. You show me your little baby. Come on, show me your little baby. She's very protective. I don't want to upset her, but I'm going to try to coax her. Come on, let me see. I know you want to bite me. Can I see your little baby? Let me just see your little baby. Let me just see your little baby. Come here, sweetie. Where's the little baby? Can see the feet? There's the feet. There's the little baby. Here's your baby. You're a good mama. Yeah, I won't bother you again. We just want to see the baby. There you go, Monica. Good girl. She settled right back down over her. So there's baby's debut.